Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the rich and diverse world of Mediterranean culinary heritage. So, let's get started. The Mediterranean is a region that spans across 22 countries, and each of these countries has its own unique culinary traditions. From the rich flavors of Greece to the vibrant spices of Morocco, the Mediterranean cuisine is a melting pot of cultures, flavors, and ingredients. One of the most fascinating aspects of Mediterranean cuisine is its use of fresh, seasonal ingredients. This is a philosophy that has been passed down through generations, and it's a key factor in the region's delicious and healthy cuisine. Another unique aspect of Mediterranean cuisine is its emphasis on family and community. Meals are often shared with loved ones, and the act of cooking and eating together is seen as a way to connect and bond. The Mediterranean diet is also known for its heart-healthy benefits. It's rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, and it's low in processed foods and added sugars. This diet has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and other chronic conditions. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the key ingredients and dishes that make up Mediterranean cuisine. 1. Olive oil. This is a staple ingredient in Mediterranean cooking, and it's used for everything from cooking to dressing salads. 2. Garlic. This pungent ingredient is used in a variety of dishes, from pasta to stews. 3. Tomatoes. These juicy fruits are a key ingredient in many Mediterranean dishes, from sauces to salads. 4. Herbs. Fresh herbs like basil, oregano, and thyme are commonly used to add flavor to dishes. 5. Pasta. Pasta is a staple in many Mediterranean dishes, and it's often made with whole grains for added nutrition. 6. Fish. Seafood is a popular protein source in Mediterranean cuisine, and it's often grilled or baked. 7. Lamb. This meat is commonly used in Mediterranean dishes, and it's often prepared with herbs and spices. 8. Pita bread. This flatbread is a staple in many Mediterranean dishes, and it's often used to scoop up dips and sauces. 9. Hummus. This popular dip is made from chickpeas, tahini, and lemon juice, and it's often served with pita bread. 10. Baba ganoush. This dip is made from roasted eggplant, tahini, and lemon juice, and it's often served with pita bread. 11. Tzatziki. This yogurt-based dip is made with cucumber, garlic, and dill, and it's often served with grilled meats. 12. Falafel. These fried balls of chickpeas are a popular street food in many Mediterranean countries. 13. Baklava. This sweet pastry is made with layers of phyllo dough, nuts, and honey, and it's often served at special occasions. Thank you so much for joining us on this culinary adventure. We hope you enjoyed learning about the rich and diverse world of Mediterranean culinary heritage. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes and culinary insights. Until next time, happy cooking!